Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Verify you can sign in and access to FA. If not, restore access before proceeding. Backup only what you must: contacts, photos, config files to an external drive or trusted cloud. This prevents irreversible loss. Make a written list of all data targets, apps, browser history, system folders, device storage, and sync services so nothing is missed. Once you have backups and access, make sure to disconnect non-essential devices to avoid accidental overwrites. You now perform the core actions. Run a factory reset for devices or use secure erase tools for system drives. This removes user profiles and apps. Then, deauthorize every device, revoke API tokens and app permissions, and delete cloud backups so synced copies are gone. For physical drives, overwrite storage with multiple pass erase or trigger a crypto erase on SSDs to prevent recovery. Once done, verify deletions by checking empty folders and account activity log. You finish by signing out of all accounts, checking account activity, and confirming cloud backups are deleted. Then reinstall the OS or perform a factory reset where needed to leave a clean slate. Change passwords and enable 2FA so compromised credentials cannot reintroduce data. If something goes wrong, restore only specific files from your verified backup or contact the service provider for assistance. One tip: if deletions reappear, check connected apps and revoke app-level access. That usually fixes unexpected restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.